Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to increase color palette or how you can see more color palette in CorelDraw without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your CorelDraw like so, and then come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Tool, then go to Options. Then under the customization right here, go ahead and click on Customization. And this is going to bump up right here. Go ahead and navigate to Color Palette. Then under the color palette, by default, you have one row in color palette, just like what you see right here. You can decide to make it more two rows, like so. Then once you click on two row, then come down below right here, go ahead and click on OK. Then you will have two color row right here, just like what you see right here. You can go back to your tool right here again, options, then customization. Then still under the color palette, you can make it 3, 4. Come down below right and click on OK. Then you have 4 color palette right here, which enable you to see more colors in CorelDraw. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.